We've got changing wind conditions for this prop today. So sometimes the wind's blowing straight at us this way, sometimes it's kind of cutting across from the southeast. So it's going to change from evolution to evolution in this prop. One of the biggest challenges we always have when we're doing this is because everybody here is from different teams, different sectors of the business, so to speak, industry, municipal, so forth, is hose handling. All right, hose handling is always a huge issue for us. So what we like to do is we like to cover it a little bit. One of the challenges we have with HydroChem nozzles is keeping the nozzle out in front of the operator. All right, the nozzles don't want to work if they're tucked up underneath your shoulder like this. You can't get to the controls because if you're on the HydroChem line, we have one on this prop. Okay, if you're on a HydroChem line and throughout the day, you have two bales on it. You have a water foam bale, which you open first always, and then you have a dry chemical. And you stand by with the dry chemical, put your hand on the dry chemical, keep your water foam flowing, stand by on your dry chemical to make the shot once we get into position. It's always a challenge working with a team. If you're attempting to make on some of these props you'll run into today, especially a process unit, you're going to make some real high dry chem shots. So if I'm the person on the nozzle, I've got control of the nozzle. You've got two hose lines together, right? Very difficult to move, so it takes coordination. Everybody stays on the same side of the nozzle. We don't want people fighting each other on the opposite side. That's rule number one. The second thing you want to remember is if we're going to make an elevated shot and I'm the person on the nozzle, I need those folks behind me to go down on one knee. So get down on one knee like this, folks behind, so I can tip this nozzle up. I'm going to be standing, but the people behind me are going to be going down. The line needs to go progressively down towards the ground so we can make the shot.
It's real important when you make a HydroChem shot is you got to create a tunnel, right? Not like a straight stream. Damn, you don't want to fog because you're helping carrying that dry chem out there. And when you make a HydroChem shot, just kind of count 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000 in your head. And then usually we'll tell you cut it off, but if it's not, just keep spraying. Okay. If you're at 5,000, cut it off. Don't even let one of us have to tell you. Something's wrong. Your position is bad. You got a block, shadow type deal. Okay, we're gonna stand it for a second. We'll discuss it. Okay, maybe 2 feet left, 3 feet right, forward a couple feet. I'll make another shot. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000. Quick shots. It's probably going to be out 1,500, but we're kind of shooting for 3,000.
Yeah. So when you do that, like I said, we don't want to waste powder. That's a precious commodity that we've got available to us. And basically, when you're looking at these flanges, you're going to have some flanges that the crack in the flange is blowing out horizontally, some that are going vertically. They're coming out this way, okay? The challenge we all have with HydroChem, and especially with a single handgun, and you'll see that here, is going to be being able to capture all of the flame. So with a single line, when you're spraying at the target, let's say it's a vertical standing flange where it's flowing top and bottom, all right? If we get on that flange and we put our stream on there and we capture it, you can hear the flow with your ears. You'll hear it change from loud to muffled, all right? It's really tough to, keep your gun and hold it in position. It's real critical because of just a little wiggle, and bam, you're back off of it and it blows back out all over the place, right? How many of y'all worked with locking in valves with two hose teams or one hose team? A lot of you, right? So y'all know that if you wiggle those people get off just a little bit, boom, that fire's coming right back on us, right? Same thing here. Same thing's going to happen.
Especially with a HydroChem, when you open it up, like Casey said, get back on target right away. And when you make your shot, you stay on target. You're going to be chasing the flame around. That's what he was explaining.
Nobody's going to yell at you here or anything. That's not the intent of this. It's for you to learn. Even if you make a mistake, it's learning, okay? All right? We're going to keep everybody safe, okay? And make sure everybody has a good understanding of what we're trying to do. So when you get in a single nozzle configuration like that, what'll happen is the flame will blow around the back and it'll wave like a flag off the back of the flange. So what you have to do is take a second stream. It could be a water stream, foam stream, this stream. In this case, we've got water and foam streams working together out here and help present that flame to the nozzle. So that stream on the backside is pushing it back towards the nozzle so we can encapsulate that flame front with dry chemical. Okay? That's our goal, is to get that out, make a good shot, and knock it out. the difficult part is, like Dave said, now everybody gets nervous because it happens. It inevitably happens every time we do this. Everybody gets a little nervous and they forget what handle to grab. So they want to shut down the water foam and open the dry chemical. Always leave that water foam open. It gets ugly when that happens. Leave the water foam open. Take your hand off of it. Keep your hand on the short one that says powder on it. Okay, that's what we want to use to deliver our dry chemical.